a WPC 95 power driver board, and it's out of a Medieval Madness, and the client indicated that some coils had locked on or started to make that characteristic smell that pinball guys all hate. I repaired the headers on this board for the GI and the power in, the power out, and I updated the GI section to take out those big 6A2 diodes. And you really only need 2 jumpers to accomplish this, so that's what those are right there. And what else? That's it. I'm going to wash it up, but there was nothing wrong with the drive circuits on this board. Let me put it into test and demonstrate. Get rid of a little light here. You can see I've got a color DMD. Cool seeing that strobe light. Okay, let's see. Flasher test. 3, 4, 5. Some of those you're seeing are reflections in the glass. It looks kind of cool. Here's the GI test. These are the GI circuits that are controlled by the triacs on the board. Those are all working properly. And we can do all lamp test. Only got a few LEDs in this game. I was experimenting with a few of them. And I also have this super cool mod. I think this comes from Measle Mods. And that is it. We are good to go. So I'm going to play some Attack from Mars again. This is my son-in-law's favorite game. And if this goes back into attract mode, you'll be able to see his initials up on there. I've got to get him. Thanks for sending it.